Good day. Welcome to the Gulf News Update for Tuesday, January the 21st. Here are the top stories at this hour. The UAE State Security Court has sentenced 30 people accused of belonging to a cell of the Egyptian Emirati Muslim Brotherhood from 3 months to 5 years in jail. The verdict also applies to 6 Egyptians who have fled the country and were tried in absentia. The judge ordered the disbanding of the organization, shutting down of all its offices across the UAE, and seizure of all its assets. 14 Egyptians among those convicted will be deported after they carry out their sentences. In an abrupt reversal, the United Nations has barred Iran from tomorrow's Syria peace conference after it refused to back calls for a transitional government. The unprecedented diplomatic action averted a Syrian opposition boycott of the talks, which are scheduled to start in Montreux. However, the Syrian National Council said it was quitting the coalition. Meanwhile, a cache of evidence smuggled out of Syria shows the systematic killing of about 11,000 detainees by the Al-Assad regime, according to 3 top lawyers. The 3 examined thousands of Syrian government photographs and files recording deaths in the custody of regime security forces from March 2011 to August 2013. Iran suspended its most sensitive nuclear development work Monday. World powers immediately responded by lifting some of the sanctions that have crippled the oil-based economy. The lifting of the sanctions marks a first cautious step toward making good on a deal aimed at resolving a decade-long standoff over the country's nuclear program. India's Supreme Court has commuted the sentences of 15 death row convicts, ruling that delays in their execution were grounds to change their sentences to life imprisonment. A total of 15 people had challenged their death sentences due to the time taken for the Indian president to answer their mercy petitions. They include Devinder Pal Singh Bhullar from Punjab, who was convicted over a New Delhi car bombing that killed 9 people in 1993. The judgment will affect the more than 400 convicts languishing on death row in India and will place more stringent conditions on the use of the death penalty. And finally, the weather. Today's high across the UAE will be 21 degrees Celsius, dropping to 15 degrees at night. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. As always, you can get the latest news on gulfnews.com.